Welcome back to the channel, guys. Hope you're having a great time out there. It's November time. It's more cops than you can remember in November time. The heat keeps coming, and now we're about to review another sneaker in November time. So, welcome back, guys. Hope you're having a great time out there. Hope you're all looking after yourselves both mentally and physically, and you keep pushing those barriers, you keep pushing those boundaries, and you're on target for your goals in 2023. And it's November time, guys. Remember, December is around the corner, so make sure you hit your targets, make sure you hit your goals, and make sure you hit your yearly goals, and you keep excelling, because that's the most important thing at this moment in time. And also, please do check out the Shoe Dog podcast with me and the bro 808 Kicks ATL. We'll talk about sneaker drama, sneaker news, sneaker bad behavior, because we always take that to sneaker court of public opinion. And last but not least, guys, please do like, follow, subscribe, come and chat to me. Let's have a conversation. Let's break it down like we always do, because it's all about reviewing sneakers. It's all about talking about sneakers. It's all about copying these sneakers, because today we got a special one. And you know I love this silhouette, and you know I had to get this one. November is a crazy, crazy time, guys. This is the worst remember I can ever remember. Let's just say that, because look at this, guys. It is, hey presto, shabang. This is the Jordan 13 Wheat. As you can see from the B-roll, guys, this is the review for the Jordan 13 Wheat, a sneaker that we haven't seen since 2004, and it's magnificent when they keep producing these colorways, keep bringing them back, because it keeps reinventing and reimagining our love for a sneaker silhouette. And you know, guys, I had to get this sneaker. This is a Jordan 13 that I absolutely love. This colorway is absolutely beautiful, guys, and I want that all wheat 13 to come back out. Hopefully, fingers crossed, it comes out next year. But before we look at the sneaker, let's take a look at the box, because so hey presto shabang, and as you can see, guys, this is the Jordan 13 box, and they've done something different, guys. They've done something different. They changed the box. If you know a Jordan 13 box, it's normally all silver. This is white with the wheat jump, man. As you can see, giving a nod to that wheat colorway, all white predominantly. It almost looks like a women's exclusive white box all over, but it's not, because it's got that jump man in the middle to represent that 13. And obviously, as you can see, guys, inside the box, all white again. You normally get more tissue paper with this box, and basically that's about it inside the box. But let's take a look at the box label, because the box label looks like this. It should be like this, and it should read like this. As you can see on the box label, you've got Air Jordan 13 Retro, white and wheat, two colorways that absolutely go together and are amazing. It is the UK 10, which is my size, so you know what that means, guys. Wait to the end for the on feet, because the on feet on these Jordan 13s are going to be absolutely beautiful, guys. I love a Jordan 13 the way it looks on feet, but also on top of that, it's a US 11, EU 45, and the code on this is 414571171. That was a mouthful, I know that, guys, but this is what the label looks like. That's what the box looks like. Make sure it is like this, guys, and that is the box. Now let's take a look at this beautiful, beautiful silhouette. It's sneaker time, so hey presto shabang, and as you can see, guys, this is gorgeous. This is beautiful. This is the Jordan 13 Wheat, and if you don't know what a Jordan 13 looks like, this is what a Jordan 13 looks like. It's got that pimply cushion on the actual overlays on that leather, which means it's the Panther Paw Whiskers trying to pop out this sneaker. And then on that, guys, you've got the underlay, which is that wheat colorway, that brown colorway, that khaki colorway. Absolutely beautiful, and even that has some stroke action there. As you can see, guys, it's all about the stroke action. It's all about the stroke action, guys. You can see the actual suede on this is purring as you actually press that through, and obviously the overlays are all white and the underlays are all like this brown, beautiful brown, wheat brown. And then on the midsole, you've got more of that brown that comes through. This is more of a carbony, more of a tougher suede on the actual midsole, and you've got the white pods. The white pods absolutely bang on this sneaker. As you can see, it just pops, it just goes pop. There you go, guys. That is so dope. But then you've got more of that white tongue, white laces, wheat on the actual Jumpman, and I love what they did with this. I love the fact that they actually produced that actual tab at the bottom with that Jordan and the 13 underneath in wheat and white. Absolutely dope. Those two colorways you never thought would go together, but they absolutely go together and blow it out the park. Absolutely dope. You got the eyelets at the back, guys, as you can see, and that reflective eyelet there is basically, I don't call this eyelet a hologram. It's a reflective hologram there. Is absolutely dope. You can see the Jumpman, you can see the 23 on that. It is one of the beautiful things about Jordan 13. Panther design, Tinker absolutely dope. Designed this with a panther outlook, absolutely fire. And obviously the panther port at the bottom, guys, with the Jumpman, the green glowy Jumpman at the bottom, and a carbon fiber. Look at that, carbon fiber on deck, all wheat out, all white out, absolutely dope. And even the leather on the overlays is super fire. Crinkly, tumbled leather that absolutely hits the overlays. I love these overlays, love the Jordan 13. You know I love the Jordan 13. If you've been following me, guys, for a long time, I've been doing reviews for at least 2 years now, more than 2 years now. You know I love a Jordan 13. Absolutely dope, absolutely fire. One of my favorite silhouettes outside the Jordan 5, the 13 is an absolutely underrated sneaker. This is super comfortable, this is super dope, this is super amazing. White inner lining, so make sure you wear white socks, and you can see more of the actual insole. I'm not going to try and take the insole out, because more of that insole is that wheat insole with a white Jumpman, and you normally get tissue paper. Remember, guys, you get tissue paper in this as well. This is amazing, this is absolute fire. I love this sneaker. The one thing I have to definitely say is the leather on the actual underlay toe is more of like a normal Jordan 13 leather. If you know Jordan 13 and you know sometimes the leather is not great, that actual leather is not as good as the overlay leather, which is a bit disappointing. I would have thought it would have tumbled a bit more better, because you normally get a crease from here to here, so watch out for that. If you can wear some like maybe Correct Protects or some shields to actually for the toe, that might help you a bit. I don't like wearing myself in Jordan 13s because it might hurt a bit, but that's for one thing I recommend for you guys if you actually want to wear that. But yes, the Jordan 13 we absolutely dope. As you can see, two colorways that absolutely combine and bring absolute magnificence to this sneaker. But as you can see, like I do on the channel, I'm going to give you that front perspective, I'm going to give you that booty action back perspective, I'm going to give you that lateral side with the overlay, I'm going to give you that medial side with the overlay. That is absolutely dope. And the outsole, absolutely beautiful outsole there with the 360-degree rotation, guys. Make sure you bring the heat, make sure you hit the streets, and make sure you produce those panther paws on street, guys. Bang, bang, and bang, guys. That is absolutely dope. This is getting my 5 goats. I like this sneaker a lot. One of my favorite pickups in November time. One of my favorite pickups this year. I love a good Jordan 13. Definitely love a good Jordan 13. If you've seen the De La Soul review, this is another comparison, another like almost white and yellow sneaker with the Del soles. This is a white and wheat. There's something about a white Jordan 13 that absolutely bangs. And you know, if you put that black there, if you go and put some black on this, He Got Games is shouting your name, because this is a very good silhouette. Jordan 13s are comfortable to wear, so watch the on feet at the end. This is everything you ever wanted in a Jordan 13, in my personal opinion. Absolutely fire sneaker, absolutely beautiful, absolutely amazing. Like I always say, guys, one thing I've got to say, there is no extra laces, so you only got those white laces. And the retail itself was about $190, so I got the discount on it, so I actually brought it down to like $175, which is great because that's normal retail. But I don't think there's any resale on this, because this is another sneaker in November that I feel will just sit there and will just marinate in magnificence. So if you can go and try it, guys, for sure. Jordan 13s is a must try, it's a must have in my personal opinion. If you haven't tried it, if you haven't seen it, go to the shop and try it, put it on feet, see how it feels, see how it is, touch it, guys, touch it, just touch it. That is magnificence. I'm going to say that is magnificence. Absolutely beautiful. One of my favorite silhouettes outside the Jordan 5. Jordan 13s is absolutely delightful to have on feet. A lot of people don't feel they suit them, but trust me guys, go and put it on feet and go and see how it looks on feet, and do the side angles, do the side pictures, and you will be surprised. I'm not even joking. Such a dope sneaker, such a absolutely brilliant sneaker in my personal opinion. Tinker's magnificence on this sneaker is underrated, guys. Absolutely dope. So guys, like I do on the channel, go and check out the on feet at the end. But like I normally do, hope you have an amazing week, amazing month, and an amazing year. And I hope you guys cop the sneakers you like, because you deserve to get the sneakers you want. From me, TJ, I love Kit Customs. Peace out for now, guys, and peace.
I just discovered Crown, the iced coffee, kind of turned up in her right now. You know what I'm saying? I swear I'm the truth. I swear I'm the truth. I keep trying to tell them, but it ain't no use trying to convince these niggas, even though I got the proof. I just throw up the deuce. I swear I'm the truth. I swear I'm the truth. I keep trying to tell them, but it ain't no use trying to convince these niggas, even though I got the proof. I just sit by to the booth, the chosen one like Luke. I spread my wings, I'm still in love like truth. I ran myself full circle like hoops, bobbing, weaving through the traffic like coops. Underrated on the pavement like some high-tech boots. Take my aim at the game and I shoot. Missed the target by a measure, now I do it for pleasure. Ain't no rush, I can pop off at my leisure. It ain't on me, boys in me, so I won't lose my clever. Plus I'm straight, I ain't hurting for cheddar. That's an old school reference, got a real shit preference. I come at you with deference, I ain't studying you stepping. I don't care what you reppin'. I'm west side to the death end. I'm A-town, ain't no guessing. Nothing more, nothing less. Ain't gon' ask for no blessing. I come through with the wrecking. I'm low-key, no suspecting. You won't notice no weapon. I'm wide awake, you been sleeping. I unsended the message. If I do miss some betting, it's on me, bring that check in. I swear I'm the truth. I swear I'm the truth. I keep trying to tell them, but it ain't no use trying to convince these niggas, even though I got the proof. I just throw up the deuce. I swear I'm the truth. I swear I'm the truth. I keep trying to tell them, but it ain't no use trying to convince these niggas, even though I got the proof. I just sit by to the booth. I'm coming back with more flavors. Put it all on the table. Similar to Jada, maybe it'll dawn on you later. I stay true to my nature, boy, I ain't never been a hater. I'm suave like Draper, may not eat all my papers. Death to all the fakers.